In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see my credit on Vive Financial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your available credit, how to check it on the web and on mobile, and how to get help if something doesn't look right. First, sign into your Vive Financial account on the official website. Enter your username and password and complete any security prompts if they appear. For peace of mind, always make sure the site address looks correct and that you see the secure lock icon in your browser. If you can't remember your credentials, use the account recovery options on the login page rather than guessing. It's also a good idea to avoid public Wi-Fi, or if you must use it, connect through a trusted VPN. Once you're in, head to your account dashboard. This is where you'll see the key figures at a glance. Look for your credit limit, your current balance, and your available credit. Available credit is simply your credit limit minus any posted and pending charges, so it may change throughout the day as transactions clear. You'll also see your next payment due date and minimum payment, which can affect your available credit as you pay down the balance. If something seems outdated, refresh the page or check the recent activity section to see pending authorizations that haven't posted yet. If you prefer using your phone, you can do the same in the Vive mobile app. Download it from your device's official app store and sign in with the same credentials you use on the website. On the app's home screen, you should see your available credit, balance, and recent transactions. Consider enabling biometric sign-in for convenience and push notifications for payment reminders or unusual activity. Keep the app updated to the latest version for the best performance and security. You can also verify your credit details by reviewing your monthly statement. If you receive e-statements, open the most recent PDF in your account. If you get paper statements, check the summary section on the first page. Your credit limit and the balance as of the statement closing date will be listed there. Keep in mind that statements show a snapshot in time, so your current available credit may be different from what appears on the statement if you've made new purchases or payments since it closed. If you still have questions or something doesn't look right, contact Vive Financial's customer service using the information on the back of your card or the official website's help section. Have your account details ready for verification and ask specifically about available credit, pending transactions, or any limits on your account. That's it. Log in, check the dashboard, use the app if you like, confirm with your statement, and reach out to support when needed. Stay safe by logging out when you're done and keeping your information secure.